Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer mode on your Quest 2 because sideloading requires it. On your phone app, open Settings, select your headset, and toggle developer mode after registering an organization. This authorizes ADB access. Once done, install platform tools on your PC, and if you use Windows, add the Oculus ADB drivers. Mac OS and Linux need platform tools only. Make sure your headset and PC are on the same USB or network connection before continuing so ADB can recognize the device. Next, you install a trusted file manager APK using SideQuest or ADB because the Oculus Store doesn't include one. Connect your Quest by USB or set up Wi-Fi ADB. Accept the host authorization prompt in headset when it appears. With SideQuest, drag and drop the APK. With ADB, run a db install filename. App. Once installed, you'll find the app in unknown sources. Launch it to verify file access and grant storage permissions so you can browse internal storage and sideloaded content easily. Finally, open the file manager from library under unknown sources so you can browse and manage files on the Quest. Use the app for small edits and ADB pull or push for large transfers because command line transfers are faster and more reliable. If the headset isn't detected, unplug and reconnect USB, run a db kill server then a db start server, and ensure developer mode remains enabled. If permissions block access, reboot the headset, reauthorize the PC when prompted, and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.